can we offer such a variety of customization options?
To meet our customers' unique specifications and deliver an exclusive HMI solution, we rely on the adaptability of our production lines.
Thanks to our wide range of options, every finished product we manufacture is unique. The use of partial manual assembly gives us exceptional flexibility, and the strict quality controls carried out on every product ensure that it meets the highest standards of precision and reliability. APEM has developed a relationship of trust with its customers. Some projects require the production of large quantities of products over a long period of time. In such cases, we can develop a custom-made assembly and/or test machine. We develop a suitable tool when HMIs require a special production process. The production line is ideally sized with the right balance between what must be done by humans and what must be done by a machine specially designed for the occasion. In partnership with the customer, we design and implement a custom-made robotic machine which will guarantee the best productivity-quality ratio. This ad hoc machine completes the manufacturing process and/or checks the integrity of the parts produced. You can count on us to support you in all your human-machine interface projects, from the simplest to the most complex. You can be absolutely certain that you have a solution customized to your application and your brand, able to withstand even the most extreme conditions of use.